Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then get this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. If you wish to mute the music right away, open it and click on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Apply. Then click on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to access some of its settings, click on this gear at the top right corner. Click on I agree in First Things First pop-up and then adjust all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!